Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can download PPSSPP on iOS for free. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your mobile device and search for ppssspp.org. Now you will send to this website. Simply tap on the hamburger menu at top left corner of your screen and then select Downloads from inside of it. Now scroll down towards the end of the page and you can see that there are some download embeds available. Simply navigate to the section where it says iOS and then click on the .ipa embed. Now you will be sent to this web page where a number of files will be present. Simply tap on the bottom two files and download them on your device. Once the downloading has completed, open a new tab on your current browser and search for uScarlet. Open the official website and scroll down to the bottom. Tap on this link. Then again, tap on the direct download embed and it will be installed on your mobile device. After that, open it up. Go to the second tab. Tap on the icon at top right corner and then select the recently downloaded IP of file from your storage. Now install the app. And you can see that the PPSSPP has been installed successfully. That's how you can download PPSSPP on iOS for free. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.